Good day, traders. How we all doing today? I hope you found some divergence setups and it went your way. Because God only knows which way it'll go. Swinging up and down like a yo-yo. Okay. We're looking at the NASDAQ 100. And it's on the 5-minute. And we're looking for a setup. And I'm going to start choking now. Okay, I think I'm okay now. So, what time was it here? 16:30. So this is the open right here. Okay. There was divergence here to sell it right here or somewhere up here. Say if you sold it right here at 17,550. This is crazy, you know, these high prices that these new highest high we're seeing every day here. It's just it shouldn't be up there. That's all I can say. I could go into a lot of detail, but I won't. But anyway, it's crazy. So if we got in there, our stop would be 28 points or ticks. Yeah, 28. Oh, look at that. Exactly 28 here. You coulda, woulda, coulda, shoulda. Yeah, it could have been good. Could have been good, yeah. Right there. Would have got in here somewhere. Then, as you can see, we came down below R3, came back up, and came back down again. Do you think there's divergence down here? I think there is. You betcha, Skippy. Right there, double bottom. And see how this is going up like that? See? Yeah, it was divergent. And it was an entry of right there. See what it got long right there. Stop would have been 40 points. How much did it go up? 85. There's your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio, known as R. RR. Have you ever been to see Billy? RR. Okay. Gotta eat some good fish. Yes, halibut fish. You ever see a halibut fish? Oh my God, that is so ugly. That face on a halibut. Really nice white meat from the halibut. But what an ugly fish. What a fugly fish. Very fugly. Okay, we got a double top right there. Almost. Doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, right there. This is the S and the P. That's what I like to call it. Okay. Right here. So we would have got short. Your stop goes at the swing high, 3.5 points. How many points did it go down? Went down 11 points. Okay. Now, do we have a bullish divergence here? No, because this here, valley or crick right here, needs to be less than this side. So there was no divergence right here to buy it for it to go up here. And we don't even have a, lower close, buy it up it goes, because it's too far away from the 5. Oh boy. Excuse me. My throat was drying up there. Maybe I shouldn't have ate those chocolate puddings before I started this. Yeah, breakfast of champions. Chocolate pudding. So good, man. Yes, yes. Okay. There's no trade here to buy it. There's nothing. You can't do anything. The only thing you can do, I don't usually talk about these trades, but when the 5 crosses down below the 7, you can sell it. When the 5 crosses up above the 7, you buy it. But no, so many people don't want to do those kind of trades because they just turn bad on you, like this one or this one. Okay? Okay. Let's look at the Dow Jones now. And here's the opening right here, I believe. Yeah, I nailed it. With the wick on the top and the big wick on the bottom and the little body. That was the open today. But I could still call this a double top. See, it's just missing it, just shy a little bit. And then, you don't have to do the trade until they, smack the sucker down right here. And it like closed near the low of the candle and it closed below the 7. The 5 and the 7. So it would be a sell right there. Yep. Would have been good. Sell right there. I got to draw this line in right there. See how it's pointing down like this? That means the trade you're about to do, because it's a double top, or even a higher high would work as well, I guess. Both of them, it's going to be pointing down on the OSMA. So anyway, there was a sell trade right here on the opening of this candle. The stop would have been 53 points on the Dow. And it went down 87 points. See how it was dancing right here on the 37,950 level? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Pound dollar. Oh, what do we have here? We have divergence right here like this. And right there like that. Yeah, we have a few setups in here. My little setups, my little scalper setups, yeah. So would have got long right here, stop right at the swing low, 10 pips. This is the pound dollar, and it went up 36 pips. And then at the top, we have a high and a higher high. This was the news at 9:45 today. Yeah, 9:45. It just spiked right down. I don't know where you got in on that. I wouldn't be trading that. That's the news. It could have shot up just as much too, and you'd be thinking, oh, divergent, sell. And it would have burned you. Anyway, we'll let that go. Euro, same kind of trade right here. Low and lower lows right there. Just like that. So it would have got long, and it went up 35 pips, and the stop at the swing low was only 9 pips. And then up here, again, the news was involved. Right here, it is 16.45. Yeah. So that was the news if you would have traded it. But here's the high and the higher high, and the high and the lower high on the OSMA. And you would have... Oh, I forgot to mark in those trades. Let me go back. Sorry about that. You would have got short right here, and stop would have been 13 pips. It went down 20 something. What did I forget to mark here? Ah, right here I forgot to mark it in. I'm so sorry. I'll get it now. Okay, lower close right here. Buy it, up it goes. Here's one of my hook downs or hookups. Hook up. This is a hook up. Gonna hook up, man. Gotta hook up. Right there. Would have got long right there after the candle rallied back up. Then you would have got in, and up it goes. 16 pips on the pound dollar. There's another one right here too. Look. Look at this one. Lower close, buy it. Up it goes. Excuse me. My nose was doing something funky there just now. It's so dry from the winter. Finally warmed up here today. It's like 0 degrees or whatever. I'm finally not freezing here in my apartment. What can you do? Okay, so there's my lower close, buy it, up it goes. My hookup, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. I don't know if I'd do that one up there. We already like done 3 trades on the way up. I wouldn't risk it to do a 4th one. Let's move on to the euro now. Oh, we already did it basically. Okay, let me get an arrow here. Yeah, you would have got long right there. Swing low right here is the stop, 8 pips. Went up 36 pips. Looks so easy to trade that today. I wish I was trading this today. Freaking oil, man, it was tricky. It was tricky. I still made about, I don't know, 50 or 60 points, but it was tricky. And today, once that oil inventory's kicked in at 10:30, oh, I seen it jump up like a mad rocket into the air, and it went to the high of yesterday, and I said, that's it. I shut my platform off and said, I'm not touching this now. Leave it alone. It's messing with the people now. Because of all the, the open at 9 o'clock, and then the 9:45 news, and then the 10:30 oil inventory news. So it was not a good day to trade. I shouldn't have traded, but I did. Thank God I didn't lose. Okay. By the way, did I tell you I'm not, I almost said I am a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? It's all hearsay, la-di-da. Okay, so, yeah, there's a trade here. Excuse me. It's a hookup. You know, when you hook up with some nice lady, a hookup. Right there. So you would have bought it up here. Went up 10 pips, 14 pips. Yeah, it was good. But with the pound yen, what did it do? Oh, look at that big, that's the news. Yeah, 1645. Look at that. Aren't you glad? Oh, I'm so glad I didn't trade no pound yen. Wow. I don't see no divergence. I don't. Oh, over here I do. Excuse me. Double bottom. Going up like that. That's divergence. Who wants to wait all that time though, to get in a trade? Like, look at this. Here's 8 o'clock. You didn't get in till 5 to 11. 4 hours you had to wait for this trade over here. And after you see something like this big wick and big, this trader killer, this thing here, call it a trader killer. After you see that, it's like, no, man. It's like, close the chart and move on. Euro yen, same thing. Oh. No, where's the spike on here? I thought I saw it on here. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. 1645. Yeah. It's just a little spike on the euro yen. Okay, let's look at gold. Oh, look at gold. Oh, what a beautiful thing when it does that, eh? And they traded it down today. Excuse me. There was a trade right here, high and higher highs, okay? Right here down to here like that. So if you got short here, how much did it go down? Oh, about 200 points, 190. Yes, it was a beautiful thing. Right there, you would have got in. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, no, that one was too far from it. This one was good though. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Here's another one that's good here too, right down there. And higher close, sell it, down it goes. There it is. I'd like you to see the full fist. Even though I don't need to. Anyway, nice trades on gold today. And then oil. Oh yeah, oil's pushing higher. This was the news right here. See this big freaking, it looks like a sword. Sword from the, I don't know the name of them. Those guys in England with the swords. What do they call those? A knight. A knight's sword right there. Right here. Here's a little sword. 15-minute that is. Let's go to the 5. Let me show you the trades. So we got basically a double top right there. Okay. And it went down like that. We got short right in there. Stop at swing high, 20 points. Went down 57. Then we had another trade right there. And right from the little blue doodah to right there. Does that line up? No. No. It's right there. Another sell, hidden divergence, hard to see divergence as I call it. Yeah, so you would have got the short right there. Your stop at the swing high, 20 points, and it went down 32 points. And what do we have here? So when we sold it right here, and it came down, did it go back up to the stop? No. What about down here? Right here to right here. Low and a lower low. So we got long here. Your stop would have been at the swing low, 28 points. And it went up 89 points before it started to do some rigamaroo in here. So, but there's more trades. Got to mark them in, right? This is the last instrument of today. There's a high and a higher high, and right down here. There's actually another trade right here, actually, and it was a loser. Go back. Because they took it up, took out the stops of people selling in here. So that was a bad trade. Can't have all winners, ladies and gentlemen. Nope. That is an unbelievable, how would you say, not a jinx. Oh, I can't think of words, man. My brain's fried. So you would have got short. I don't know where. I actually did this trade and I didn't get in quick enough. It was like right here or something I got in and it didn't give me enough. And I got out with like a couple ticks. Profit. Almost nothing. But anyway, this was the news right here, like I said. The inventory, or maybe I didn't say. The oil inventories right here. Okay, that's why it's one of those batons with the wick on the top and the bottom and the little body in between. Okay, then they slammed it down and then they bought it back up and slammed it down and bought it back up. Yeah. Once I saw this thing right here, boom, boom, like that, I said, "Fook this, man. I'm done." Like I said, and I shut down my platform. It was not a good day to trade oil. Well, it was over here and here. I actually did this trade here too. Got in right here and it shot up real quick and I took the profit right there. When you see fast profits, you take it, man. You snag it. That's why I called my system Forex Pip Snagger, because I used to snag pips. Yeah, but honestly, man, you see quick profit, snag it, man. Take it, man. If you don't take it, the market will. As you can see, after it went right down again and down and down, it could have kept going down and you would have gave it all back. So when you get it, take it. Because if you don't take it, the market will. Yes. Okay, so that was the last one. Yeah. Let me show you something else here today. The DAX. The DAXer. Let's see. Right over here. I actually did this trade too. I was up at that time. It was like a double top. Why did I take that trade? Oh, hold on. Yeah, right here. Double top, right? And right there like that. This is the DAX. And I sold it here. And it went down quickly and gave me a little bit of profit. And then I got out with a small loss because it just shot up. And I was hoping it was going to keep coming down. I got out. And then I did some other little trade and I got the loss back a little bit. It wasn't very big what I was trading. It was like real tiny. I don't normally trade the DAX. So I was just trying it and hoping it was going to work. But there is a beautiful trade and it's right here. It was the next trade. Yeah, draw it there. Trying to figure out where would I draw it. I didn't draw this out here. Yeah, right there. So you would have got long right on that candle. Okay, right here. Your stop at the swing low is 21 points. And as you can see, it went all the way up here, man. Like, let's see. Went up like 140 points, man. And along the way, you had lots of, lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Here's a hookup right here. Buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. See, so you had a lot of dips along the way, up the hill, the bumpy hill that you could have traded. And then it turned into a sideways shit show. Anyway, so that's it for today. I want to thank you for listening and watching and coming out today. I hope you come back out tomorrow. We'll have another good show that shows divergence at its best. Because I really do believe, like, I don't want to sound conceited here, but I never invented divergence. Okay, it's just something that was told to me. This is what you need to learn if you want to start to make, moolah. You got to trade divergence. Forget everything else you've ever learned. That's what I was basically told, and it's true. I totally believe that that's true. And anyway, so I forget what I was going to say now. Oh, I'm not good. I'm getting old here. But what I was going to say is I go to many live streams, okay? The popular ones. Not going to mention their names because I don't promote them or endorse them by any means. And I see what they're all trading. Actually, I went and I saw this new guy yesterday, and I learned something from that. It was really good. I couldn't believe it. It actually did it 3 times now since I learned it. And it's quite good, actually, what it is. But so I guess maybe I can't say divergence is the best. But to me, it is the best thing that I've ever come across and what I use, and I trust it, and that's all that matters. There's so many different ways to trade the market. As long as what you're doing is something that works for you, then that's what you do. That's it. So anyway, if you're going to trade this afternoon, please be careful. And good luck and good trading.